Students of academics and competitive exams of English. Students, today in this lecture 2 part 2, our topic is synthesis based on participles. In this English medium lecture, I would like to tell you that in lecture 2 part 1, we went through up to rule number 4, and on the same topic from rule number 5 we will go ahead. Let's begin with rule number 5, that is known as delayed action. In this delayed action, actually two actions are given and we have to identify which one happened first and the other second. He wrote a book, he became very popular. Of course, he wrote a book is the first action and getting popularity is the second action. After writing a book, somebody will become popular and it takes some time. Delayed action means when after one action we take some time to make the second action possible. In this way, there is a little time required. That's why in such a combination of sentences we use having plus third form. Having written a book, we use having plus third form from the first incident. Having written a book, comma, after comma you will write the second happening as it is. In rule number 6, we use third form. However, we use third form with having in rule number 5, but in rule number 6, we will use only third form of the main verb. Where he bought a book, it was stolen, it refers to a book and the quality of the book was stolen, and you know adjective is placed before or after noun according to the conditions. So this stolen will be put before book, will be placed before book as a quality of book. In this way, our combined sentence will be he bought a stolen book. You came to know how a third form of verb acts as an adjective and says something special about a noun or pronoun. In this way, our answer is he bought a stolen book. Let's begin rule number 7. On rule number 7, we applied so many rules of participles. Let's take the combination of these two sentences. He was taken out of the school. He didn't lose patience. If we take this sentence as passive voice, then we will use passive form of having, that is having been, and we will write having been taken out of the school, he didn't lose patience. All the written material in red color is telling something about he. He is pronoun, and all this from having to school is the quality of he. Then our answer is having been taken out of the school, comma, he didn't lose patience. In type 2, if we take was as a linking verb, we'll do being taken out of the school, comma, he didn't lose patience. If we take taken out as a quality of the subject he, subject of the next sentence he, we'll use it as it is. Taken out of the school, he didn't lose patience. In this way, we came to know having been taken out is also a quality, being taken out is also a quality, and one more, taken out of the school, is also a quality. And in participles, we use ing form and third form with having and third form without having. All these are qualities. If you find that you can express in any one of these three, you do. In this way, students, I hope you have come to know how to synthesize 2 or more sentences based on participles. Thanks.